Hey, marketers! Imagine tripling your revenue with just one video. Sounds crazy, right? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you how. Welcome to the ultimate guide on creating a video system that turns every piece of content into a money-making machine. What will this course give you? Insight into a strategy where one video can bring in 3 different revenue streams. Intrigued? Let's dive in. First, you'll learn the one video equals sign 3 revenue strategy. Then we'll tackle a 72-hour challenge to create 10 impactful videos, followed by a 30-day plan to flood platforms like TikTok, IG Reels, and YouTube Shorts with 100 powerful videos. We'll identify what types of videos truly make money and help you determine your niche and product. Next, we'll cover video production. From script to screen, you'll have a streamlined process and pre-made templates to make your job easy. Optimizing your titles, descriptions, and tags. Got it! Linking strategies to maximize revenue. Covered! You'll learn where to put affiliate links, how to craft convincing descriptions, and the psychology behind the link in bio strategy. Finally, we'll talk income tracking, automation, and how to set up a system that runs like a well-oiled machine. Plus, community building strategies to turn followers into loyal customers. And guess what? There are bonuses too. Ready to unlock triple revenue with just one video? Let's get started with MASTERBEE 1.1 English version.